Nearly 3,000 years old, virgin natural beauty, a seat of Buddhism, murmurs of history, the scent of an ancient heritage, wildlife variety to be explored. Anuradhapura, a city stuck in time. Imagine ancient relics, frescoes of queens, rock polished enough to be mirrors of the past. The first stop for our adventure through Anuradhapura was the magnificent Jetavana Dagoba, the stupa. The Jetavana Ramaya is a Buddhist stupa located in the ruins of Jetavana in the ancient city Anuradhapura. It is one of the 8 sacred places in Sri Lanka and is considered as the tallest Buddhist stupa in the ancient world, with a height of 400 feet. The man who initiated the construction was Mahasena of Anuradhapura, and later it was finished by his son Maghavana I. Once upon a time, the third tallest structure in the ancient wall, only to be rivaled by the great pyramids in Egypt. It is truly a sight to behold. The blue skies in contrast to the decaying red bricks of the stupa. What stories might those walls withhold made me wonder in awe. We made sure to visit the Jetava Museum as well, which holds awe-inspiring ancient treasures. One needs to visit this place in person to witness the fabulous treasures, since photography isn't allowed inside. Kuttampukana, the twin ponds of Anuradhapura, located in the Abhayagiri complex, which was used by the monks of olden days. Built by Sinhalese kings of the yore, presumably during the reign of King Agabodhi I. These twin ponds are out of granite slabs and bear testament to the amazing engineering skills of the ancient Sinhalese civilization. The twin ponds are bounded by a wall, the smaller one in the northern side of the complex, which is believed to be older than the larger pool, with flights of stairs adorned by beautiful carvings that lead to the shimmering waters of the magnificent twin pools. The beauty of the ancient Anuradhapura city in its natural setting. Ruins amidst vibrant lush greenery. The atmosphere here is somber yet refreshing. Flanked by carvings of olden times, steps leading one to the mysterious shades of green pool of cool water. We were on our way to our next destination, the Samadhi Buddha statue. Our faithful guide through the roads of Sri Lanka, Suneth, told us about the significance of this spiritual abode in Anuradhapura.
We can see the Samadhi Buddha statue with Dhyana Mudra at the Mahamevuna at Anuradhapura. We have founded in 1888.
1888.
1888.
Okay.
Stone made.
And stone, and this is Samadhi of Buddha.
Samadhi of
And
Buddha
when
with
he
Dhyana Mudra.
attained Nirvana.
Yeah.
Located at the Mahamev Nava Park, the famous statue of Buddha is depicted in the position of the Dhyana Mudra, the posture of meditation associated with his first enlightenment. Upon our arrival, we witnessed the amalgamation of people from all walks of life being connected over the common shared history and faith. Such is the power of spirituality. It becomes a binding force for all. The park is a sight for sore eyes, with a cover of dark green trees and locals dressed in crisp white cotton overalls. A journey through the annals of time with serene monks and magnificent stupas makes one wonder about the morality of humans. Even after death, human feats of engineering, art, creation live on through the walls of Anuradhapura.